Scum!
No, I've got a job to do.
But there, the kids' stuff.
I've got a job to do, man. So, I don't want to remove the stuff, but can you try and get this thing sorted? Because at the end of the day, you've made no attempt.
Upsetting my children and making them cry. Taking all their personal stuff, what they've done at nursery, out of my cabinet.
I've got a job to do.
And all he can say is, I've got a job to do. I've got a procedure to do. I've got a job to do. Stand and film you. Upsetting my... Take your stuff well.
This is mine. This one. That's funny. It started off.
They won't take all that, it's removing it so they can get the cabinet, that's what... How the hell you can upset kids like that, I do not know. You cannot have a conscience at all. No conscience whatsoever. And if you've got kids, God, you can't be a very good dad. Fucking Jesus. It's upsetting bloody Freddie and Alfie crying their eyes out. A man with no conscience. He's just been a prick. Alfie, you come sit on here.
Wait, were you just taking this shit from downstairs?
Everywhere where you can't buy receipts.
Stop fucking going into the kids' bedrooms, I've told you that. And how can you keep a receipt from Christmas?
That's up to removals.
Do you keep all your receipts for your kids' Christmas presents?
I do, actually.
I'm sure you fucking do.
One sec. Can you come upstairs with me?
Yeah, man. No, it's
I'm going to show you some receipts.
No, it's okay. That's fine, man. No.